Hello students. Some of you have written to me about having issues with exercise 1 and the whole idea about having sales to equals to retirement and so on. So I just want to make you a short reminder of something that we covered in lesson 1 about expressions in Leap. So here, for instance, I have my sales from my ICE vehicle. If I click this little E expression icon, I can then choose to have branch variables and functions. If I go in here into branch variable, I can even click the exact same branch and technology that I'm in. Click next, and then I have all the available different variables, both in results and data. It should be said that for a stock turnover method, you cannot use results in your data, but you can do that in energy intensity because it will take the one from last year. So here you see we can actually find some of the total final energy consumption from the year before as data that we can input the stock, so we can base our sales based on stock, but also of course retirements is here. So then you can set your sales equal to retirement. Then, as I also showed in I think lesson 2 about advanced linking, you can of course have a function that just is a build up of like an algorithm built of different functions. So you can actually easily do a function with multiplication between them, and that is fully allowed even in different years and methodologies. 40,5, that's just a rough example, but this is an actually valid function. So now we just have an interpolation between two numbers where each year gets multiplied by the smooth interpolation between 2 or 3 numbers. And you can also do this with the branch variables. So that's a bit of a hint to lesson 1 or to exercise 1 that should help you fulfill this. Do remember though, when we are saying that we need to have a retirement of all vehicles or sales of all vehicles equal to retirement, we may actually need to also observe in one of the scenarios, observe the retirement of both ICE vehicles and electrical vehicles, and then base the sales off that and the percentage. But a bit of a hint, I would make up a function or make up a short algorithm with different functions, just using multiplication, addition, subtraction, with different branch variables and different functions that you have seen in Leap as well.